Hey there, fellow fire and safety professionals. Imagine a world where fires can be detected and stopped even before they fully ignite. Yes, that's the realm we are exploring today. Emerging technologies in fire safety. In this fast paced era where innovation is key, our field isn't far behind. We are witnessing a revolution that's enhancing our ability to safeguard lives and property. Over the next few minutes, we will delve into incredible advancements that are reshaping fire safety. From smart fire detection systems that predict fires to virtual reality training that puts us right in the heat of action, and even drones that provide an aerial advantage during emergencies. And let's not forget data analytics, the crystal ball that helps us foresee fire risks. So grab your fire helmets because this journey is going to amaze you. And if you are as excited as I am about these advancements, make sure to drop a comment below and let's kickstart this discussion. Let's start with the backbone of fire safety, detection. Traditional smoke detectors were revolutionary in their time, but the game has elevated to a whole new level. Smart fire detection systems powered by the Internet of Things, IoT. These systems aren't just sensing smoke, they are analyzing air quality, temperature changes, and even humidity levels. This wealth of data allows them to predict fires before they break out, sending us real-time alerts to take action swiftly. Imagine being able to prevent a fire before it even starts, saving lives and property. It's like having a fire guardian that never sleeps. And here's the icing on the cake. These systems can integrate with building management systems, enabling a seamless emergency response. Isn't that remarkable? I would love to hear your thoughts on this mind-blowing advancement. Drop a comment and let's keep the conversation going. Now, let's talk about training, the foundation of any successful firefighting operation. Traditional training methods have been effective, but we have stepped into the future with virtual reality. Imagine this, putting on a headset and finding yourself in a blazing building, making split-second decisions and battling the inferno, all while being in a controlled environment. VR simulations offer an immersive experience that replicates real-life scenarios without putting us in danger. Firefighters can practice different strategies, experience the stress, and refine their skills. This technology isn't just training, it's transformation. And the best part, it can be repeated as many times as needed to master the art of firefighting. Let's not forget the wow factor. This kind of training has been shown to improve decision making and reduce response timing during actual emergencies. I'm eager to know your thoughts on this cutting edge training. Share your excitement in the comments. Time to lift off into a futuristic aspect of firefighting, drones. These unmanned aerial vehicles are soaring high, bringing a whole new dimension to emergency response. Imagine having a bird eye view of a fire incident, strategizing and assessing risks from above. Drones provide crucial information, help us make informed decisions, and can even carry out tasks like delivering medical supplies or water. It's like having a team member in the sky. Remember the devastating wildfires that engulfed large areas? Drones played a significant role in monitoring and analyzing fire behavior, aiding firefighters in their battles. The sheer versatility of drones is remarkable, amazing, and they are rapidly becoming indispensable tools in our collection. What's your take on this modern firefighting marvel? Let's discuss in the comments below. Get ready for some predictive magic. Data analytics has turned into a powerful van in our fire safety collection. Think about it. Every fire incident leaves a trail of data, and by analyzing that data, we can predict potential fire hazards. It's like having a crystal ball that reveals where vulnerabilities lie. By crunching numbers and studying patterns, we can identify high-risk area and take proactive measures to prevent fire. This technology is transforming how we assess and manage fire risk, leading to smarter and more targeted strategies. And the cherry on the top, it's not just theoretical, This approach has been successfully implemented by forward-thinking organizations. I would love to hear your thoughts on this data-driven fire safety approach. Let's chat in the comment section below. And there you have it, the astounding world of emerging technologies in fire safety. From predicting fires with smart detection systems to training in virtual reality, harnessing the power of drones and using data analytics to foresee risks. These advancements are reshaping our profession. Remember, staying up to date with these technologies keep us prepared and ahead of the curve. If you are as amazed by these innovations as I am, don't forget to hit the like button, share with your fellow professionals, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, stay safe and keep embracing the tech revolution. Keep your safety alive. Safety Factory.